Hello and welcome to our channel, where we share tips and strategies for online earning. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make money online through various methods. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or start a full-time online business, we've got you covered. First off, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. There are many affiliate programs available, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you'll need to choose products that align with your audience's interests and create high-quality content that promotes these products in a natural and authentic way. That's it for this video on online earning. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful. Remember, success in online earning requires patience, persistence, and hard work. Keep learning, keep trying new things, and you'll be on your way to online success in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more online earning tips and strategies.